Today we're going to see the differences between vocabulary in British and American English. The words in blue are the British words, and the ones next to them are their American equivalents. Flat, apartment. I live in a flat, not a house. Lorry, truck. He is a lorry driver. Holiday, vacation. I am going on holiday in June. Rubbish, trash or garbage. I'm going to take out the rubbish. Biscuit, cookie. We don't have any biscuits. In British English, when you say cookie, we think of a biscuit that has chocolate chips on it, like the little picture you can see on your screen. Crisps, chips, or potato chips. I bought a packet of crisps. Chips, fries or French fries. My favorite food is fish and chips. Row, argument. I had a row with my mum yesterday. Underground, subway. I take the underground to get to work. Nappy, diaper. I need to change the baby's nappy. Dummy, pacifier. He needs his dummy to sleep. Car park, parking lot. I left the car in the car park. Petrol, gas or gasoline. Do we need any petrol? Bonnet, hood. A bonnet is the front part of the car that opens. Open the bonnet to check the oil. Boot, trunk. The boot is the back of the car that opens where you can put your bags or your things. Put the shopping bags in the boot. Zebra crossing, crosswalk. Let's cross at the zebra crossing. Queue, line. Please wait in the queue. Toilet, loo. Restroom. I'm just going to the loo. Loo is more informal. Sledge, sled. I take my sledge to the mountains. Tap, faucet. The tap in the bathroom is leaking. Postcode, zip code. What is your postcode? 2455 PTJ. Mobile phone, cell phone. Have you seen my mobile phone? Chemist, drugstore or pharmacy. Is there a chemist in this village? Courgette, zucchini. I need a courgette for this recipe. Aubergine, eggplant. I need an aubergine for this recipe. Cooker, stove. I use my cooker more than my oven. Fairy lights, Christmas lights. The fairy lights look lovely on the tree. Bin, trash can. The bin is full. Wardrobe, closet. I need you to organize my wardrobe. Garden, yard. In British English, if you say that you have a yard, it means a small paved area at the back of your house, but it's normally very small, not very nice. It's not like a beautiful garden. You have a beautiful garden. Full stop, period. I put a full stop to finish the sentence. Rubber, eraser. Have you got a rubber in your pencil case? Headmaster, principal. The headmaster of this school is 56. Secondary school, high school. I'm finishing secondary school. Form or year. In American English is grade. You can say, I am in year 6, or he is in charge of my form at school. Noughts and crosses, tic-tac-toe. Do you want to play noughts and crosses? A state car, station wagon. An estate car has a big boot. So an estate car is a very long car that has a big boot, or in American English, a big trunk. So it's very long and you can put a lot of things in the back. And they are normally quite low. They aren't high cars like 4x4s. Pram, stroller. The baby is in the pram. Telly, TV. I watched telly yesterday. Ice lolly, popsicle. Do you want an ice lolly? Because we consume so much American media like music or films, British people can normally understand the words in American English because they have seen it in films, but it doesn't really happen the other way around. Not all American people know what the British English words are. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.